Welcome to Session 5, Drawing Lines, in the Map My Lands tutorial sessions. As a property is drawn, there may be a need or desire to show such things as electric lines or gas lines. Two new landmarks have been added to the property. The drawing now has two utility poles. To connect these two landmarks to show a utility line, click the Lines tab and then the Add New button to add a new line. In the MML line editor, enter Utility Line in Line Name text box. In this example, the line type will be point-to-point. Select the Line Data tab. Choose Utility Pole 1 in the Start Point group. A pre-start distance of 0 will start the line at the utility pole. In some cases, the user may want the lines to begin before the start point. For this example, a pre-start distance of 30 feet is entered. Now in Line Data, choose Utility Pole 2 in the Endpoint group. A post-end distance of 0 will end the line at the location of Utility Pole 2. For this example, a post-end distance of 30 feet is selected. Next, select the Format tab. The Format tab on the MML Line Editor is the same as the Format tab on the MML Boundary Editor, and choices can be made as to line style, line color, line text, and enhancements. In the Line Properties group, choose a line style and a line color. Enhancements are markings that may be added to a boundary or line to differentiate between other boundaries or lines. Select /mark enhancements to indicate the line is an electric line. Any number of enhancements can be added to the line. Color can be selected independent of the line. In the Line Text group, additional text indicating Utility Line is added. To place the text in a less crowded spot on the drawing, text justification will be set to the left. Since they are not necessary for this line, distance and bearing text can be hidden. For lines with a known direction that go through a specific landmark or boundary point, select the Point Direction radio button. In the Start Point group, select the landmark or boundary point. Specify the pre-start and post-end distance in units. In this example, a distance of 150 feet is used. In the Line Direction group, specify either a bearing in the Bearing group, or an azimuth in the Azimuth group, or an angle in the Angle group. For example, to specify a bearing, choose South Meridian, 45 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds with a direction of east. Map My Land will configure azimuth and angle for the line based on the bearing. Azimuth is defined as the clockwise degrees from north. To specify the direction of a line as an azimuth, enter the number of degrees in the azimuth text box. For example, 45.82 degrees. Notice that when the focus moves from the azimuth text box, the bearing values are updated to north 45 degrees, 49 minutes, 11.9989 seconds east, and that the angle measurement is updated to 44.18 degrees. Angle is defined as the counterclockwise degrees from east. To specify the direction of a line as an angle, enter the number of degrees in the Angle text box. Notice that when the focus moves from the Angle text box, azimuth and bearing will be updated. Now, click the Format tab. In the Line Properties group, choose a red dashed line under Style. In the Enhancements group, choose a slash for the style. Add 5 slash marks to the line and select red as the color for the slash marks. Bearing and distance information for this line is not important, so that information will be hidden. On the drawing, the line begins at utility pole 1 and continues 150 feet without an indicated endpoint. This completes the Map My Land line drawing session.